I'm not threatening you. Say one more word, and that's 30 days. 30 days.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame with your man TP. Today we are courtroom hopping into the courtroom of Judge Sean Perkins out of the state of Michigan. And as we know, he has a sovereign citizen before him, and I am interested in seeing what this young lady has to say. So with that being said, guys, there's no need to prolong this. Let's go ahead and jump into this proceeding.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Destiney Graves, case number SB 16, strike that, SB 1069059, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 172478881, SB 1724805, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SB 1724836. Appearance for the city, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Graves.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Destiney Graves. That's capital D, lowercase ESTINEY, hyphen, capital R, lowercase AIVYN, colon, capital G, lowercase RAVES. I am appearing specially and not generally. I am here in good faith and under the protest solely to address the matters raised in my plea abatement. I am not here to delay the process, but to ensure proper identification and lawful jurisdiction are established on the record before any further proceedings.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Would you like counsel to represent you or no?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
I said today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Would you like counsel to represent you or not?
I actually am not open to proceeding until we establish jurisdiction over the living woman. That's me, lowercase ESTINEY, hyphen, capital R, lowercase AIVYN, colon, capital G, lowercase RAVES.
Okay. Jurisdiction has been established if you are Destiney Graves. If you're Destiney Graves, if that's your name, then unless you have some other view of the court rule and you cite a court rule, the court is going to feel the jurisdiction has been established.
I understand, Your Honor, but respectfully, the name in all caps represents a corporate legal fiction. I am here as a living woman, not as a surety or a fictional entity. I respectfully require the court to establish, for the record, how to obtain lawful personal jurisdiction over me, the living woman, separate from that entity.
Well, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. I can either give you into the breakout room with the city with an attorney, and he can help you proceed, or you can proceed and speak to the city attorney yourself to see if you can work this matter out, or I can set a jury trial date and the matter will be resolved on the jury trial date. Which one would you like to do, ma'am?
Are you asking me if I would like to proceed for trial?
Yes.
I would respectfully, Your Honor, I would like to reserve all my rights under the UCC 1-308, and I object to these proceedings under protest and duress. My appearance is special and not general. I do not consent to the court assuming jurisdiction through presumption. If this court insists on moving forward without proving lawful authority over the living woman, I must note a violation of due process for the record.
Okay. So, I mean, if you can't give me an answer to my question, then I'm going to put you back in the waiting room until you can figure it out, and we'll move on to the next person.
What is your question, Your Honor?
I asked you, do you want to see if the attorney can get you an offer and speak with the attorney Or would you like to work out an offer with the city yourself to resolve the matter? Or would you like me to set a jury trial date? Those are your three options. You keep on saying that same stuff is not going to change what your three options are, okay? So that's that. I don't need to hear that same recitation of what you just mentioned a minute ago. Now, what do you want to do?
So I'm sorry, respectfully, Your Honor, I do want to know, is this denying the abatement plea?
Say that again.
Is this denying my abatement plea?
I'm not getting into this, ma'am. I'm going to pass the matter. All right, let's go to, what is that? You're on, Ms. Mendez?
Well, guys, we've come to the end of this proceeding, and Miss Destiney, you know, she was pretty young. It looks like she was even live streaming from a church, but same sovereign citizen script jurisdiction. Obviously, we could see that she was reading off a script. And normally with Judge Perkins, not always, but a lot of times he'll give a little energy to the whole sovereign citizen argument, say a few words. But today, it seems like he didn't have any patience for it. You know, he pretty much didn't entertain it. And after she kept repeating herself, he just was playing with her and said, listen, you know, that repeating yourself, saying the same thing over and over is not going to help you. And as we see, he moved on from her. And unfortunately for Miss Destiney, she did not return. And the reason why I say unfortunately is because, you know, who knows if they're going to mess around and give her, you know, a failure to appear or some type of bench warrant. I mean, who knows? Normally I would go and check it out before I do the video, but I didn't get a chance to. But I'll go and check it out and make sure I update you guys on that, or at least we'll find out when the next time she's doing court, and hopefully she shows up without the nonsense. But with that being said, guys, as always, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all of those great things. This is Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame, guys. And for now, Sovereign Citizens Court is adjourned. I appreciate you guys. See you guys soon, and God bless.